Okay, a few sounds that I don't think enough people use today. Good sounds, really. Let's say you're stealing something, well, taking something, preferably from someone. And let's say this chopstick, for example, that I have lying just down here. It wasn't mine, but yoink! Now it is. The word is yoink! Taking something. Now, let's say I'm going to put something in my mouth to eat it, for example. Most people just put it in their mouth. There's no sound effect involved. But if you watch comics, if you watch cartoons, there's always a sound effect involved. Something like, oh, that's very important. It makes it much more fun to put stuff in your mouth. Just don't do it for an entire dinner, okay? So, we've got that out of the way. But maybe it's something you shouldn't be putting in your mouth. So you want to put it back again. And this goes not only for things you've been having in your mouth, but in general, you know? So when you want to put something back again, or put something down at all, you go, put. See how that works? Put. It's a nice sound effect. It's simple, it's effective. Put leaves no questions whether you're actually putting something down or whatever else you might be doing. There aren't that many things you could be doing besides putting it down when you put something down. But, you know, just to be sure. Also, if you get a great idea, it's very important. No, it's crucial, maybe evil, or even fatal. No, vital. Thank you. It's vital that you say this. Ding! Very important. Ding! Let's do that again. Ding! Now, you might be in a boring situation. Not awkward, just boring and quiet, you know? You've been in those situations, haven't you? You're just sitting around doing nothing, it's just boring. And in those circumstances, you say, NARF! Preferably with a bit of facial animation, like, NARF! Because, you know, that will break the ice pretty well. If they don't commit you to, like, a mental hospital. Which could be kind of fun, you know, with all the rubbery walls and stuff. And the drugs. Yeah. But a few weird looks and stuff, and yeah, it's good. Make people wonder about your sanity. That's what I tend to do. And well, that's really all I have for you today. So be nice, drive safely, and don't do silly stuff that's bad for people. I'm terrible at giving advice, I'm sorry. Have a good night. Oh, and visit my site. It's very good. The link is down. I think it's right across my face right now. Okay, bye.